welcome back to Local Ludwig's, where we start your week off with a little bit of kindness, a little bit of chaos. Today is going to be another bookish vlog. I am so excited because we are officially hosting book club at my house, where we cover life in the Central Florida area, travel, beauty, all that fun stuff. So if this is your first time, make sure you're subscribed, like, comment, let's go. The first thing we're going to go over are our Amazon packages. I tried to not go psychotic in terms of like buying stuff I don't need, because I know that most likely I'm going to use this once and then I'm never going to touch it again. So let's open it. These are actually going to be little party favors that I got all of the girls because this is going to be a Galentines themed book club. I ended up getting these cutie little glasses. I'm so excited because they're so freaking cute. I'm going to have these laid out for the girls when they come in. Next package, ended up getting a bunch of cute little heart plates. You've got the bigger size, smaller size, and then look, I can just layer them. So we've got our plate. All right, last package. Ooh. This one's not as clean. Oh, we've got a lot in here. This is. Oh shoot, they're individual ones. Oh, that's gonna be a pain. So I ended up getting these Garland pieces, which if I unveil them for you, they're like this. I get to hang them all up individually, which I didn't sign up for that, but guess what? It's happening anyway. So next thing, which I am so freaking excited for, are going to be these little random kind of book letters. I really wanted to have like that old school, like bookish vibe, love letters, because again, this is a Valentine's Day themed soiree. So these little guys right here are giving that old school love letter kind of just theme. And then right underneath those letters is going to be this guy right here. Now my theory for this is I knew I wanted to get a table runner. I can either do it on the round dining room table, or I have my long island, which I would be able to do as well. And I think this, the letters on top and like some garland, like you get the vibe, you see it. I know you do.
I know the influence, I know the impact, and I know the vibes. And the girlies love the vibes.
Next thing I'm going to show you guys is actually for the food. I wanted to try something different out for me hosting here at my house and do a potluck style. And I chose to do chocolate fondue. I'm sure you're wondering, Taylor, have you made chocolate fondue? No. Taylor, do you know what you're doing? Also no. So I'm just gonna be flying by the seat of my pants. I found a recipe online. If you did want me to, I can go ahead and link it down below. The first thing that it said is that you need to get the right type of chocolate to like melt in the fondue. So I ended up getting these Ghirardelli little milk chocolate flavored melting wafers. Also for the fondue, I did need to go ahead and get some cream. So I ended up getting this heavy whipping cream, and I also needed to get milk. So I ended up just getting the small whole milk. And the recipe said that you need vanilla extract, and I'm 99% sure I have that, but I did not check before. Wait a minute. Yes. Okay, so I have a full thing. I trusted my gut, I didn't buy it. It never works out that way. And then perhaps my favorite part is going to be what we're dipping in said fondue. 2 things of strawberries. This is gonna be the thing that I think I'm gonna eat the most and is gonna be the most popular. I also had these bananas, which I haven't touched since I bought them, but I'm gonna go ahead and slice these guys up, and so I'm gonna have 2 fruit components that we can dip in the fondue. I also wanna make sure I had marshmallows for dipping, so I got a fresh thing of those. Went ahead and got the graham crackers as well with this, which if we dip this in milk chocolate, I'm gonna see Jesus. I might even see God. I also went ahead and got some Rice Krispie treats, which I think these are going to pair super, super fun. And the last thing is Oreos. And I was just gonna get just a little bag, nothing crazy. They were having a BOGO deal at Publix, so someone needs to take these home with them or I am going to eat the entire thing, and that is not an exaggeration. Hello! I know, you've never been used. Are you so excited? Okay, got my fondue pot. It was one of the things I put on my wedding registry that Jake was like, when are you ever gonna use it? But hey, 4 years later, it's coming in handy, so who was right? Half of me. So I'm gonna move this over here. So here, I need your opinion, come. Now, I have this round table, and this is obviously like the head dining room table, or I can go ahead and do it all along this island. The only reason why I might not want to do that is that's where I'm thinking everyone's gonna put their food. So I don't know. I'm thinking the round will make more sense. Let's try it out. First thing I gotta do is like remove some of this crap, which if you didn't know, these are actually little chopstick holders, and look, if you know, you know. Okay, now for the table skate. I could go ahead and just throw the entire thing over. That's kind of fun. Do we like that? Okay, so I was able to double it up, and I think this looks a lot better. I think that's fine. So now I have to find the perfect love letters. So we're gonna have to open up all of these guys. So like this packet right here has little flowers and like peonies. Yeah, this is the one that we want. Oh, these ones are pretty too. Shut up. I'm not gonna use all of those. Like there's no way in God's green earth that I will. I can probably give them to the next girl that's gonna be hosting, and that way she doesn't have to buy them. And also I'm gonna make sure that I do my Amazon storefront for you guys, and I'm just gonna put all of the links for where I got all of this stuff. And this is one half of the centerpiece done. I love it. It looks so cute. It looks very like feminine, girly. We like. I think I can get away with just doing the plate setup and just putting it on there, and then maybe throwing in some of the glasses as well. Then we'll take our glasses and just kind of throw them around. You cannot tell me this is not the cutest little Galentine's Day spread. Now my creative juices are flowing, and tell me if this is a bad idea. What if I took one of these little garlands and I just kind of like weaved it around all of that? Would that look bad? Temples should be made in my honor. This is so cute. Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
And a few people in my last video was like, why do you want to host? This is why I want to host. This is how, oh yes. Yes, 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 yes. Look how stinking cute. You ever see something that's just so cute that it makes you mad? Like you bite your molars in the back real hard? So now that that's all done, I am gonna have to go ahead, get showered, dressed, change, all that stuff. So when I come back to you, I will be in a very cute Valentine's Day themed outfit. And just like that, we are ready to go. If you guys can tell, I did a little Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. I am gonna have something posted on my TikTok. Let's get into the sweater. This is the one that I ended up buying in North Carolina. If you guys haven't already, go check out that video. I think the next thing is I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to try and figure out this fondue situation, and the girl should be arriving in about an hour. Okay, so a new turn of events. I have this platter, which I went ahead and put all of the cute little scrapbooking pages, and I have this glass holder. So what I'm gonna do is prep, and then we're gonna get started on the fondue. I'm gonna go ahead and just get these marshmallows on our platter. There, I think that looks pretty good. I then want to go ahead and take my Rice Krispies and just plop them on there as well. They come as this size. I think I can even cut them in half because I want to have like more than just 8 for everyone, you know? We got our Rice Krispies right here, and I might even be able to do even smaller. So this is if I cut them in 4. I think that's fine. That's honestly perfect. And so instead of having 8 Rice Krispies, we have 32. 32. One of my new girlfriends, Chloe, is actually gonna come a little bit earlier than everyone else. She had some food that she already made, so I'm gonna help her reheat it. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Come on, hostess with the mostest. What? Gotta make sure it's safe for everyone. Let me show you what it looks like so far. This is the vibe, and I think I wanna put out my Oreos next. Fun fact about me, my favorite Oreos are actually golden Oreos. I don't know what it is. I think it's good because everyone's gonna have a little bit of a variety, so everyone gets to have their own Oreo color, man. So I think that'll be good. I don't think Oreos will be the big thing that everyone's gonna dunk, but who knows, I could be wrong. Next, I'm going to do the honey graham or graham crackers, or as Tia calls them, graham crackers. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do 1 package of these. I don't see those being as popular as the fruit, which is what we're gonna do next. All right, let me get the strawberries. So first thing is we gotta wash these. Got myself a little colander. We are just gonna dumperooski these little guys here. Nice rinsey rinse. I know that there's a better way to do this with like chemicals or like vinegar. I'm not doing all that. Woo. All right, strawberries are officially rinsed. We're gonna go ahead and slice these guys up and put them on our platter. Ooh, I need to put the candles on. This is not amateur hour. Ooh, I gotta do the one upstairs. Hold on. We're good. Normally when it comes to slicing strawberries, I usually do like a 1 and 2. I'm just gonna go ahead and do these guys right here just because I do want them to be big enough for everybody. Plus, it's fruit. I'm not concerned that it's dipped in chocolate. The nutritional value is still there. It's just hidden. under chocolate. So technically I do still have some strawberries that are left, but I think that that's perfect because we're gonna fill that little gap in with bananas. Dude, are you joking? That is like the prettiest platter I have ever seen. All right, so we're officially at the fondue station. It is at a level 6 right now, which I think is perfect. The way I wanna do this is, that's fine. Falling apart. It's like, no one's gonna know. How would they know?
They're gonna know.
I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna go little by little because I don't want to overwhelm it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like perfectly sweating. So yeah, we're gonna actually turn this down just a little bit. Then I'm just gonna start doing dashes of heavy cream. While that's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and do a dash.
2 shots of vodka.
The vanilla extract. I am just gonna keep moving this baby around. Glad I got 2 of these things. Do some more. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of milk in there. I'm just gonna keep turning the temperature down because I don't want it to burn. Guys, are you kidding me? That's not right. That's not normal. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a pinch of that sea salt that we got, and that is just going to freaking explode this. And guys, Chloe just got here. She's here.
Hi everybody. So welcome to
my channel.
welcome back to Taylor's channel.
I just got sauce on the dog. I'm sorry.
Oh,
The bubba.
oh.
Sorry,
Olive. Did you already do this? Am I doing this? You already did
You know
this.
what? You narrate it. This is your moment.
Salad, sweet charcuterie,
Yes.
charcuterie, chocolate. Yum. Our spinach dip.
Spinach cheese.
Taylor's gonna watch this back and realize how much better she is at this. Pasta. Yay, book club!
This is the official spread. We've got some pasta. We've got my salad I made. This is the spinach dip. And then we've got a little sweet charcuterie board. Got some Publix cookies. And then of course we have our chocolate, which we are gonna be having for dessert. How was the food?
Oh, it was good.
Did you like the food?
Yes, Taylor's a chef.
No, I what's that food?
No, it feels like that. I'm like,
You want to talk about rose-colored glasses? I'll show you rose-colored.
I have such like,
All right,
normal hair.
to the couch.
How was the cabin?
It was fun.
Skiing is it way better this year?
Yeah. Oh wait, skiing?
Yeah.
Oh. No. All I remember from my last lesson was pizza, which is to slow down, and French fry to go fast.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can do some screen sharing. Who's excited for my PowerPoint?
I am.
You're a star.
Oh wait,
You're a
it's weird.
star. I'm a star! Okay, ladies.
So cute.
February book club.
Oh, how cute.
Get into it. So, members,
Oh wow.
aren't we all adorable? Picking our read, blind voting, no peeking. Raise your hand for whichever read you like, and then when we hit our top 2 reads, that's when we're only gonna vote once, okay? Out of the Woods by Hannah Bonham Young.
reading this right now. Linwood have always been a sure thing. For the past 17 years, they have had each other's backs through all of life's ups and downs, achievements, losses, stages, and phases.
Numero dos, here we go. Books of Doors by Gareth Brown. Yeah.
Very strong. And at the very front, there is a handwritten message to Cassie.
No, I like that we're mixing and matching because without book club, I would have never picked up The Housemaid. The One by John Mars. A decade ago, the company announced that they have found the gene that pairs each of us with our soulmate. Since then, millions of people around the world have been matched, but happily ever after isn't guaranteed for everyone because even soulmates have secrets. Ooh. That looks fire.
So with this was some TikTokers like some book talkers like 6-star read.
Oh, love.
Like, and she's like, I do not give 6-star read.
Oh, I've been wanting to read this one. I've been wanting to read this one.
This has been on almost every single person's like wanting to read list, so I was very proud of the person who picked it. You'll never know. Go
Hail
for it.
Mary by Andy Weir.
I've never done a sci-fi read, but I feel like if I was,
I've heard
I
it's
want
like
to get into that genre.
First Time Caller by BK Borison. A jaded radio host in this cozy, sleepless in Seattle-inspired love story. I loved it so much because it's such like a Valentine's-y kind of
It
like
is.
it's such a good like
a good vibe.
mood for this time frame. I think we are gonna all vote for Out of the Woods by Hannah Bonham Young. How many people want to read it? Okay. Next one, Book of Doors by Gareth Brown. How many people want to read that? Okay. The One by John Mars. How many people want to read that? Okay. First Lie Wins by Ashley Elson. Who wants to read that? Okay. Next, we've got the Hail Mary, aka The Martian. Okay, great. First Time Caller. How many people want to read that? Okay. All right, Hail Mary it is.
Do I have to choose? I want to read both of those.
So now it is officially fondue time. Everyone has their own designated stick, so it's already nice and hot.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Delicious.
Delicious. Yummy. Decadent.
Creamy.
Creamy.
Demure.
chocolatey. Valentine's.
Okay, you guys, that is the end of the video. I had the biggest blast hosting this month's book club, and I had an even better time hanging out with all the girls. If you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for hanging out with us. Make sure you are like, subscribe, do all of the things. I cannot wait to come to you guys next week. This vlog is gonna be posted Sunday at noon. I hope you guys are having the best day wherever you're watching this. You know the drill. Be kind to yourself and stay loco. Bye!